Guys, kain tayo ng Jollibee. Yan, buksan na natin yung rice. Hindi naman kasi mahaba yung oras natin. Wow! Oh my God! Someone ketchup. Oh my God! Yan. Try to part 2 na lang guys. Wala na tayong oras.